Continuous random variables. We met discrete random variables earlier, and the idea of a continuous random variable is very similar. It's just that instead of the thing that it's based on being discrete, something from a counting process perhaps, with continuous, we're talking about something that exists on a continuum. A continuous random variable is continuous because it can take any real value in a given domain. So here we're talking about fractions and irrational numbers, anything in a given domain. If your domain is from 1 to 2, it could take any number in between. It's variable as it can take many, in this case infinitely many, values. It's random as we cannot predict the outcome at the start. Although we may be able to say something about the probability of the outcome being in a particular interval. For a continuous random variable, the probability of taking any individual value is 0. So we may be able to say something of the type, the probability of x being between 1 and 2 is 0.2, but it is always the case that the probability of x being exactly 3 is 0. This is an important point. With a continuous random variable, it really doesn't matter if these are less thans or equal to, because the probability of actually being 1 or the probability of actually being 2 is 0. This is not difficult to think about. If our random variable exists on a domain between 0 and 1, there are infinitely many values in here that it can take. So the probability of any one particular one is 0. But we can say something about it being between here and here.